Welcome to Tool Zone. We've curated a brilliant mix of clips where seasoned pros handle their tools like artists. With unbelievable accuracy and control, watch the magic unfold as perfection takes shape before your eyes. When the fish are biting, skilled anglers can reel in yellowfin tuna with ease. The bartender's skill is on another level. Few can match his speed and precision when making drinks. Squeezing under a low bridge isn't for the faint-hearted. You literally have to lie flat to make it through. It's a pulse-raising experience you won't soon forget. Turning a cherished photograph into a work of art requires true craftsmanship. It's a brilliant concept that might just fuel your next creative endeavor. Alright everyone, we can stop searching. We've found the ultimate method for painting walls and ceilings: fast, flawless spray coverage. The mix of glowing glass and natural wood makes for a stunning design combo. Working with wood has always demanded a steady hand and sharp skill. This craftsman clearly has both in spades. This isn't a magic trick, it's physics done with finesse. Another brilliant example of how tech meets artistry. This pizza isn't just food, it's edible artwork. With every layer and topping, the pizzaiolo shows just how much passion goes into each creation. Thinking about giving your car a makeover? A vibrant wrap can work wonders, but beware, it's a task that demands patience, precision, and a steady hand. The payoff? A showstopper on wheels. Perfect slicing means every single piece looks laser cut. Humans can't quite pull that off, but high precision machines do it flawlessly, like surgeons who never miss a beat. Rail track construction is where engineering meets performance. Precision machinery and experienced workers work together like a perfectly rehearsed dance, laying each rail with incredible accuracy. This isn't just cleaning, it's a full teardown. Every screw, every part pulled apart for deep restoration. But the pros know what they're doing. Strip it down, clean it up, and get ready for the magic. Car lovers could watch this on repeat. It's that satisfying. Who knew you could turn everyday items into real works of art? It's all about imagination. With a little creativity, even the simplest things can become something unique and beautiful. The way this craftsman handles the tricky angles of a new uneven roof is incredible. He transforms awkward edges into smooth, flawless finishes. Watching him is truly satisfying. Call it magic or craftsmanship, either way, what's happening here is absolutely mesmerizing. It's the kind of beauty that stops you in your tracks and makes you just watch in awe. The way this simple tool shapes smooth, curved borders is nothing short of mesmerizing. Pre-sale car prep in action. Not wrecked, not repainted, just touched up a little. This is how breast implant placement is done, an inside look at the medical procedure. Today you get to decide which rainbow color lands on your plate. After a show like this, regular cocktails just don't cut it. Think flaming pours, foggy glasses, and over-the-top flair. Ordering a drink here is an experience on its own. And yes, you'll definitely want an encore. Say what you will, but this method of cleaning metal is probably something you've never seen before. It's next level stuff, a true showcase of what modern machines can do. To properly compact plaster and achieve a flawless finish, you need to apply it in ultra-thin layers, just 1 to 2 millimeters thick, and that's no simple feat. That omelet looks so light and fluffy, it's like a cloud landing in the frying pan. Filleting freshly caught fish outdoors. That's peak craftsmanship. You can almost smell the smoky grilled fillet or a bubbling pot of fish stew.